Have you ever considered the power of your thoughts? The way they shape your reality, your experiences, and your interactions. It's truly remarkable. This power, the force beneath your thoughts, fuels your journey through life. But harnessing this power isn't always easy. And maintaining a positive outlook can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. Yet, it's these moments of struggle, these tests of resilience, that truly define us. Think of your mind as a garden. The thoughts you plant, the ideas you nurture, they are the seeds that will grow into your reality. Plant seeds of positivity, of joy, of gratitude, and watch as your garden blossoms. The first step is awareness. Recognize your thoughts, your emotions, and how they influence your actions. Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Is it encouraging and uplifting, or critical and negative? Remember, you hold the power to change this narrative. Next, practice gratitude. Again, it's easy to focus on what we lack, what we wish we had, but this only breeds discontent. Instead, shift your focus to the things you do have, the people in your life, the experiences you've enjoyed. Gratitude is the cornerstone of positivity. The third step, is to cultivate positivity in your everyday life. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Read uplifting books. Listen to motivational podcasts. Watch inspiring movies. Feed your mind with positivity. Lastly, remember to be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, a journey. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Now imagine a world where everyone radiates positivity, where every interaction is uplifting and encouraging. It's a beautiful vision, isn't it? But it begins with you. It begins with the seeds you plant in your own mind. So today, make a commitment to yourself. Nurture your mind with positive thoughts. Practice gratitude and spread joy wherever you go. And watch as your world transforms. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Share this message. Encourage others to join you in this commitment to positivity. Because together, we can create a world that shines with joy and positivity. So, go forth. Plant seeds of positivity and watch as your garden, your life, your world blossoms.